Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for Decentraland. So, as always, our key level criteria: we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level we can see is our key level right here. Swing high as price comes up, hits, and reverses drastically. Now, we also notice a key level right here. Price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. We can also plot in a swing low right here, as we see multiple reactions to the level, acting as support. Now, let's go ahead and hop to the weekly time frame. Now, here on the weekly time frame, we're going to adjust our key level here, and we're going to plot it in as a zone. As we see price come up, hit, and reverse, acting as resistance, and we see long wick candles here acting as support to the same level. Now, we can also notice a key level right here. As we see multiple reactions acting as support. So, let's go ahead and hit our most recent price action. Now, we notice a key level right here. As this is a most recent swing high, where price came up, hit, and reversed drastically. Now, we also notice a level right here. So, we can plot it in our chart. We notice from this point of price come down, hit, and reverse drastically, establishing a key level of support. As we look to our right, we notice multiple wicks reacting to the level or close to the level, and we see candlesticks reacting to the level right now. We also see a level right here, and we're going to draw it in as a zone. As price came up, we see reactions here from wicks acting as resistance, and we see price reacting as support, and flip back to resistance. So, multiple reactions acted as support and resistance, followed by drastic moves away from the level. So, these are all our key levels on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video and got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.